Good morning. Welcome to Drive with Care. I've had it's not a request, more a comment. Could you do a drive in the driving rain? You know, adding those extra elements of hazard perception and awareness, because the roads are going to be slippery. There's going to be road spray. So I'm going to take us from Hawkinge at the garden centre here, and we'll go down to Tesco because I need to get some shopping. I do my Drive with Care videos when I'm going to do shopping. Funky times. But what we can expect to see, apart from the usual hazards, just adjust that. I think the thing for me is going to be, obviously the windscreen wipers are going on. We get different elements of rain. We'll get spray. I'm going on the motorway as well, so that'll be cool. So let's see what we can see. Puddles in the road, right? That'll cause hazard, because of course you're steering to wobble and swivel. We will see cars with no headlights. What are people like? You know? The weather is bad. Get your lights on. So the car coming up ahead has got side lights on, so they are on. The car behind me has no headlights on. I'm interested to see what the spray will be like on the motorway. It seems to be stopping now. As I left the house, it was, you know, torrential. 40-mile-an-hour zone into Densole. Yes, I'm doing 40. Thank you very much. Let's turn the heating down a bit. It's causing my windscreen to fog up. Driving in the rain. There's a song in there, isn't there? With the one I love. Or is it Walking in the Rain? Who knows? Hey, we'll do the roundabouts, the Hawkinge roundabouts. A few of my favourite roundabouts. No cars in front, so I won't be seeing people not indicating. It's funny, my windscreen wipers still tend to make the squeaky noise, but I put the car through the MOT and it passed with not even a single, what do they call them? Those, you know, things to be rectified. No headlights. So I was wondering, are the windscreen wipers part of that? You know, if they're threadbare, then they fail the MOT, but if they're squeaky, clearly not. Still a 40 zone. To my right, give way, indicating off. Excellent. I like to see it. I like these cars with the headlights on as well. You know, for the most part, people, they do it properly, right? 3 in a row with headlights, 1 without. Please put your headlights on if you're driving in the rain. Okay, to my right, off we go. I feel like a driving instructor. National speed limit. Kind of think I might want to do 60 here, but it dips down. The roads so they could be slippery. So kind of got to give myself more distance for braking time in this kind of weather. So I'm going to start slowing down. We've got the markers. Roads are relatively empty. Probably be busy on the motorway. Oh, big puddle. Oh, it looks like it's clearing up over there. That's the English Channel, that direction. Still loads of potholes, so it wouldn't be doing to drive in the puddles just because it's fun to splash, you know? And I like doing that. It could be huge pothole, and you think it's just a tiny puddle. There goes your tyre and your rim and your suspension and your well-being. I think up the Roundhill tunnels they've split the 2 lanes into one. They're doing some maintenance. So here's someone straddling both lanes, not indicating right. Oh, he is indicating. The indicator's at the bumper at the bottom. That's fine, I'll give you that one. Have a trophy from me. Okay, so they've got 40-mile-an-hour restrictions, loads of cones. Right, they've got a van coming here and then nothing. So let's slide on now so that we get into the lane. There's no point going ahead because you're just going to have to filter in. There's loads of cars behind me. Don't you hate being stuck behind a big van or a lorry? Only because you can't see ahead. So I'll pull back a little so that we can enjoy the drive through the tunnel. Work access. So there's some maintenance going on here. Oh look, they've actually put the barriers up, these steel divider things. I wonder what's going on, because that kind of implies to me that it's permanent. They're going to be doing some major work here. Oh great, could be hungry. So the A20 becomes the M20 just round about now, so we can do 70 miles an hour. We've got a slip road coming on, so I'm aware that there's going to be cars trying to join the motorway. Nothing to my left there, so only the car in front, so I don't need to pull out into the other lane. Where are these roads? It don't affect me because I'm coming off now. First one in the queue is doing it. The next two don't seem to be. Nothing to my right, neither of them indicated. I'm going right here, so I'll go in this lane. Now I don't know what the etiquette is here. It's 2 lanes to go in, but once you join the main road, the arrows on the left force the left-hand lane to filter into the right. So my logic is stay in this lane. This is the priority lane. But I might be wrong, because you always want to stay left, right? If you can see the markings on the road, they're forcing that lane to join this lane. Not sure what Highways Commission were doing there. Anyway, let's go into the supermarket and conclude the video without saying a brand name. That's pretty cool, eh? It's not like I'm advertising a supermarket one should visit. But they've got fabulous Wi-Fi here. And I'll let you into a secret. I come here to upload my videos because my home Wi-Fi is deplorable, for want of a better word. But if I get myself a nice latte, sit in the cafe, I can upload my videos. What would take 5 hours at home for a 3 gig file only takes 20 minutes here. So yeah, let's do it. Let's park here, right by the cafe. Wi-Fi is. Bit of reversing. So there you go, a drive in the rain. Hawkinge down to Folkestone, well Cheriton actually. Wasn't actually that rainy. Maybe I'll really plan a heavy drive rain in the future. So the next time it's chucking it down, out we go. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, bearing with. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now, and drive with care.